It's Gary, and today we are cooking with Gary every Monday and Saturday. Oh yeah, because you know what? I got nothing to do on those days, so let's do this. What's up? Okay, today we're gonna be making some raisins. Raisins. This is good. Yeah, look at that. Raisins. I'm just playing with you. Okay, so today we're gonna be making some banana smoothie. Okay, so what you need, bring the camera here. This is nothing. What you need is your blender. It's a freaking blender. Of everything you have right now. Just get your blender out. Get your little cup out. No, I put that wrong. No, there it is. Yeah. So, what you need? Some sugar. Any sugar. Some milk. Any milk. And some ice. And of course, bananas. Shit, I forgot. Let me get that. Let me go ahead. What you need to do is cut up your banana, and unless you have a big blender. If you have, this banana won't open. Okay, we got it. Stow away that part. That's nasty. Let me get a napkin. Okay, so we do that. If you have a very big blender, just stick that in there, actually. And we got that. So, what you need is a cup of ice. Take that ice, just put it all in there. Yeah, there we go. Take that milk. Just put that milk in there. Juicy. Juicy. And take that sugar. Just get a spoon of sugar. Just get a spoon. Where the heck is that sugar? Put it on a spoon. Not too much, but this much on a spoon. Oh, let me spill it. Got some in there. And you screw it. Just put the sugar in there. Who cares? Okay, next. Just gonna do that. Put in your blender. Just tight. Don't want to spill. Oh my gosh. What's wrong with my dry cleaner? Okay, we got that. Yep. Not spilling. Nope. Yeah, we got that. Okay. Then, here we go. Let the power release. And then, yeah. Place all the ingredients, yeah. Nails, yeah. Ice, yeah. Okay, when we're ready, when the thing is done, just take that out. Ugh, that's white. This white. Yeah. How hard did I put this?
Oh my gosh, I can't get this out.
Use the force. Use the force. Use it, Gary. Use the force. Yes, you did it.
Bananas.
You did it, you dumb boy. Congratulations. You have passed the Jedi test. Idiot.
Good. I need my straw for this. Where's the straw? There's no straw here. No. What can I get a drink out of? No. Where's my straw? No. No, where is it? Where is the straw? Oh no, here it is. Okay, I got it. Okay. Ew, what's that? Ew, I gotta clean that up. Okay, now that we got a smoothie ready, it's time to drink it. Whoa! Hey guys, subscribe for more, and if you didn't, hit that like button. I'll be making every one of these cooking videos or making stuff videos with me every Monday and Wednesday. So subscribe and like, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.